Hello everybody and welcome back to LELB Society. This is Dr. Hariri and I'm the creator of LELB Society, and in this episode I'm going to show you how to display related posts on WordPress without any plugin. According to this featured image, actually I've been able to display related posts on WordPress on my WordPress website without any plugin, and I'm going to share this actually technique, which is convenient and also very fast. Okay, so and remember there are some code snippets that you need to have in order to just fulfill this objective, and I'm going to share these codes with you in the description area. Just go to the description area and copy and click on the link so that you will be studying this article, and then you will have all the necessary PHP codes and also CSS codes. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, why show related posts in WordPress? As you know, WordPress.org is the most popular content management system, or CMS, in the world. Over 40% of all websites are already on WordPress. And this staggering percentage is not accidental. WordPress has been designed to host an unlimited number of posts or pages on your web server in an effective way. And therefore, as the number of posts increases over time, you might like to encourage your visitors to continue reading some other related content on your website. This way, you can minimize your bounce rate. And if you don't know what a bounce rate is, you can just study this article and click on this link, and maximize pages per visit and average visit duration. So this is because your visitors will stay longer on your WordPress website because and also become more acquainted or familiar with your brand and follow you on social media. Show related posts in WordPress with PHP. The following PHP code should be added to the end of your theme files, such as single.php, remember, responsible for your posts, and page.php, responsible for your pages, that are responsible for posts and pages respectively on your WordPress website. Fortunately, you don't need to add any other code snippet to your functions.php file. Okay. So this code will show related posts in WordPress without plugin at the bottom of each post. And this is the code I was talking about. You know, it's not even that much, I mean the density of that, but remember, it should be copied and pasted accurately, okay, flawlessly. And immediately just copy and paste this snippet of code to the end of your single.php file, and it will just work the miracle. So how to tweak the PHP code to show related posts? Remember, you cannot just take a screenshot of this code, so the easiest way is to just click on the link in the description area and study this article on your own and copy and paste it from this article. So how to tweak the PHP code to show related posts? First of all, you should know that the above code will fetch and display 3 recent posts selected from the used tags, not categories, in your current post. You could also display related posts from categories, which I do not recommend. This is because WordPress tags are intended to connect all WordPress posts that are thematically or topically related, like this one, related topics, related posts. As a result, if your post lacks any tag, nothing will be displayed as related posts, which makes perfect sense. So, which sounds totally logical. To get a better picture of this point, scroll down to reach the bottom of this post to explore the 3 related posts for the article you're reading right now, and I'm going to show it to you chronologically ordered. So, as a matter of fact, tags in WordPress are like indexes at the end of a book, while categories are similar to the sections or chapters of a book, and as you can guess, some of them might not be related. So that's why I really encourage you to use tags and not categories to show related posts. So you can alter the number of related posts from 3 to any value by changing the default value 3 on line 10 of the PHP code. Just bear in mind that more than 5 related posts are not recommended because it can take a high volume of computing resources on your web server. So, and also that would become somehow confusing for your reader or visitor actually to just scroll down all 10, for example, related posts to reach for the comment box. The publishing date of each related post is also displayed below it. Okay, best SEO practices for WordPress tags. Although tags are a type of taxonomy in WordPress, tags as a type of taxonomy in WordPress give you this special chance to organize content thematically. You should never overuse tags or overuse them. Okay, this was a blatant mistake I was making back in 2015 when I founded a LELB society on WordPress for the first time, and I was using or filling the posts with too many tags. In short, at that time I was using too many irrelevant tags, because all the tags must be actually in reference to the central idea of the let's say a current post for almost each post, and I was not aware of Google penalty for this immature action. So popular tags at the LELB Society used to show related posts on WordPress without any plugin, and if you just click on that, you will find our popular tags. The maximum number of tags in each post is 10, and all of them should be thematically relevant. Moreover, avoid making the same mistake as I did by indexing all tags. So tag pages are not really important because they might hold thin content, for example 1 or 2 or 3, let's say, posts on one archive or tag page, which is not let's say fat enough. It is very thin, which should not necessarily be indexed by search engines. So if you are using a WordPress plugin for SEO, don't forget to no index tags. This is a very important let's say practice to consider. You are supposed to no index in that robot box file of your WordPress website. You need to use your WordPress plugin for SEO to just no index all tags. But I should make this clear that I have indexed my categories, because categories are somehow different from tags. So you can also auto link all tags in the body of posts. This way tags appear as hyperlinks like this, you know. This is a tag and they appear as hyperlinks inside posts, and your visitors might be more motivated to click on them. To add this functionality to your WordPress website, simply add the following PHP code to your functions.php file. So you need to add this code to the functions.php file. Remember, not single.php file. And this code will just trigger any tags to appear as hyperlinks. Okay, now customize your related posts with CSS. So if you like to customize your related posts with CSS, you need to call this section with hashtag related posts in your CSS customizing applications such as WordPress Customizer, Child Theme, or a WordPress plugin. To have more information on the best practices for adding CSS in WordPress, study this article on social share buttons in WordPress without plugin. As you can guess, I have a tendency to not use any particular, let's say, WordPress plugin for any functionality. I've not used any WordPress plugin for adding, let's say, social media accounts, social share buttons, for adding actually WhatsApp chat button to my WordPress website, or many other actually features on LELB Society. I've been able to find another way, a simpler way and faster way, instead of just using ready-made WordPress plugins. Okay, so if you don't know how to use a child theme or actually add CSS files to your WordPress.com, just simply study this article. I'm going to share these links with you in the description area. Since at LELB Society I've consciously selected a minimalistic design, I've only added the following CSS files to our child theme. As you can see, hashtag related posts, and these are two, let's say, CSS files. Padding left, 15 pixel, and background color white. Okay, now show a list of related posts in WordPress without images. Because the previous code would fetch and display let's say related posts with featured images, but what if you wanted to show related posts without any image in the form of a list? So if you don't plan to include featured images in your related posts for any reason, you might opt for the following PHP snippet, which should be installed in the same place, i.e. at the bottom of your single.php file. Sorry. So this PHP code is so plain and can only show related posts in WordPress without plugin in a simple list of post titles without any image. So here it is, and you need to accurately copy and paste this code and add it to the end of your single.php file. Okay, in the above PHP code, related posts are shown randomly, remember, and you can modify the order of related posts by changing the following line of code: order by rand. Simply replace rand with the following options: order by modified, it means the modified date, the date of modification of the posts, or order by ASC, ascending, or descending, DSC. It refers to the chronological order, and yeah. So Visual Dictionary and Thesaurus with related visual words. It's important for us to show related posts in WordPress without plugin at LELB Society because our community has the largest visual dictionary of academic words in real context. Our students can learn English vocabulary with pictures easily with over 2,830 English vocabulary in context with images. As you can guess, our education platform can show related posts in WordPress without plugin in the form of 3 synonyms or topically related vocabulary items to each word and entry in our picture dictionary and thesaurus. So if you have any question on how to show related posts in WordPress without plugin, leave your questions in the comment box below, and I'll respond to all questions and opinions immediately. And also remember, you can just click here to follow us for new posts and also share this post. And here are some specifications. This post falls into the category of website management tips and services, and also these are some tags: CSS, PHP code, SEO tags, website optimization, WordPress plugin, and طراحی site. And here is the author box, including the some my bio, short bio, Dr. Mohammad Hussein Hariri asked, and also share this post, share buttons without any plugin. Actually, I've been able to just create this beautiful and modern share buttons. And here we are, related posts for this post, automatically selected from their used tags, related posts. Best social share buttons without WordPress plugin. And as you can see, here is the date of publication. And the second one, portfolio assessment in education equals more learner autonomy. And again, actually the date of publication. And finally, 10 best Google Chrome extensions for students and teachers, and the date of the publication. And remember, you can ask me any question you might have about this article on how to show related posts on WordPress without plugin. And I'm going to answer all of them. And yeah, here it is, and I think I covered all the important points. And last updated on April 17, 2023 by Dr. Mohammad Hussein Hariri asked, no comments yet, and 57 views. Okay, thank you very much for your attention. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please share this video with your friends and also give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much. Take care and see you soon in our next video. Bye bye, everybody.